The day, BTS fans were shocked by an emotional moment when Taehyung revealed a big secret he had been keeping under wraps. In a highly anticipated live broadcast, Taehyung finally opened up and spoke about what had been holding him back for months. With a trembling voice and the uncontrollable tears, he revealed his feelings and the pressure he experiences as an idol constantly in the public spotlight. I feel like I've had to hide a lot of things, even from those closest to me, Taehyung said, his voice filled with emotion. But today, I feel like the time has come to tell the truth. I don't want to live in the shadowy fear anymore. BTS fans who watched the live broadcast were undoubtedly moved. Men didn't expect Taehyung to be so open about his inner turmoil. In fact, some armies around the world expressed that they felt like part of the BTS family, finally getting to know a different side of their idol. However, what was truly surprising wasn't just Taehyung's confession, but Jungkook's reaction, usually known for his calmer and the more reserved demeanor. As soon as Taehyung finished his confession, Jungkook appeared stunned, his expression unreadable. Men noticed that although he looked worried, there was something he seemed to be keeping to himself. Instantly, he lowered his head, trying to contain his emotions. This reaction sparked speculation among fans. Some suspected there was more going on behind the scenes, perhaps something only the BTS members themselves know about. Jungkook seems to be holding something very heavy in, wrote one fan on Twitter. Why is he so quiet after Taehyung spoke? Like there's another secret he hasn't revealed yet. The moment left men, armies wondering was there more to Taehyung than just the pressure he was feeling. What was really going on between the two behind the scenes? And more importantly, what made Jungkook seem so shocked and unable to speak? As time went on, fans became more curious about the story, which might be deeper than what was apparent. A major mystery has now been revealed, but many pieces of the puzzle remain incomplete. Only time will tell what really goes on behind the scenes of BTS's increasingly complicated relationship. In response to Taehyung's shocking confession, BTS fans immediately flooded social media with questions and speculation. Some began to wonder if the moment was related to the pressure Taehyung faced during their world tour, or whether there might be unspoken tension between the group members. As time went on, theories emerged. Some suggested Taehyung might have felt isolated, unable to share with anyone, even his closest friends. I just want to be myself, but sometimes it's so hard, Taehyung confessed during the live broadcast. His voice thick with sobs. I know I have to be strong, but sometimes I feel like I can handle it all alone. Although BTS fans are accustomed to the members' honesty, this was the first time Taehyung had expressed his feelings so openly. Men called it the hardest moment in the group's history, and it made fans laugh and admire him even more. However, there was undeniable tension in the air, especially when Jungkook chose not to say a word after Taehyung finished speaking. Jungkook, usually the center of attention due to his cheerful and spontaneous nature, seemed to be lost in thought. Some fans noted how his gaze was blank and hard to read, as if he were caught in his own thoughts. Something's not right, one army said in the live stream comments. Does Jungkook know something we don't? Suspicions began to grow when Jungkook finally left the room without saying anything. Although some of the other members tried to deflect attention with jokes and banter, the atmosphere felt different. Deep down, men wondered, was this really just Taehyung's personal problem? Or was there something bigger going on involving all of BTS? Speculation intensified after a mysterious post on Jungkook's personal account appeared a few hours after the live broadcast. In the post, he wrote only one sentence: "Sometimes secrets are heavier than we can express." The sentence invited various interpretations, ranging from Jungkook's confession that he felt burdened by the secrets he kept, to the possibility of more complex issues within their relationship as a group. Some fans who are more attuned to group dynamics have also begun to notice that in recent weeks, BTS seems to be less frequently appearing together. While they continue to share moments on social media, it seems they are often choosing to separate for personal projects. Could there be tension brewing between them? Or are there personal issues that are making them feel the need to distance themselves? With so many unanswered questions, BTS fans can only wait and hope the time will bring clarity. Perhaps today's events are the first step in a long journey of understanding each other. Or perhaps a hint that there is more to tell. Of course, with each moment like this, BTS further demonstrates that they are not just idols, but also real people with feelings, doubts, and the internal conflicts. As they always say, armies or family, but this time, fans felt like they were part of a bigger, unsolved mystery and they all waited with anticipation to find out what would happen next. As time went on, speculation grew. Some fans began to note that while Jungkook hadn't revealed much after that moment, his different behavior offered no clues. Men began to wonder if there was more to Taehyung than just personal stress. Could there be deeper issues at play, related to the relationship dynamics between the BTS members that had been in place for years? On the other hand, some fans were more focused on Taehyung himself. Men began to wonder if his emotional confession that day was a sign of feeling isolated. However, among the thousands of comments that emerged, one caught the attention of men. Maybe this isn't about Taehyung's big secret, but about how we're all learning to understand each other, both individually and as a group. This sentence touched the hearts of men, making them realize that BTS, despite appearing to be a very solid unit, are actually facing their own personal struggles that aren't always apparent on the surface. Meanwhile, Jungkook, who had been the center of attention for the past few hours due to his silent reaction, finally opened up through his personal live broadcast. This time, he didn't just share music or moments together as usual, but spoke openly about his feelings. In life, we often struggle with things that are difficult to express. We always try to be the best, but there are times when we have to pause and reflect. Jungkook sighed, his voice heavier than usual. Taehyung is a part of me, and whatever he feels, I feel it too. But sometimes, we can only stay silent and give space to the people we love. This statement immediately sparked mixed reactions among fans. Some felt warmed in Jungkook's statement, viewing it as a show of support for Taehyung, while others grew curious about the depth of their relationship, which had previously been kept under wraps. Some say they're like brothers, but I think their relationship is much more complex than that, wrote one army on Twitter. While men hoped BTS would soon explain more about what really happened, men also felt that this moment gave them a new understanding of them as people. BTS, with all their popularity and success, still face the same life challenges as everyone else: mental struggles, feelings of inadequacy, and the pressure coming from various directions. As the days go by, fans are beginning to accept that not everything needs to be expressed clearly. Sometimes, the most important thing is understanding that behind the smiles and the perfect appearances, there are human beings with pain, fear, and the uncertainty. Perhaps this is why BTS always emphasizes the importance of growing together. Because while they are an amazing group, they also support each other through challenges that the world cannot see. At the end of Taehyung's live broadcast, he delivered a message that is now reverberating around the world. I thank Army for always supporting us. I hope you know that every moment, both the good and the tired, we face together. And I promise, we will continue to grow for you. While this moment leaves more questions than answers, one thing is certain, the relationship between BTS and their fans has reached a greater depth than ever before. No one knows what will happen next. But one thing is clear: BTS and the ARMY are on an ever-evolving journey, filled with priceless moments together. On the other hand, despite the main questions raised, some have also tried to offer a more positive perspective. However, when Taehyung decided to post something on Instagram, a few days after his live broadcast, the hope for a deeper understanding of the situation grew stronger. The post was a simple image, a sunset with a touching message. Sometimes, we just need to stop for a moment and realize that the world doesn't revolve around us. I'm learning to listen to myself more. And I want you to know that even though we're going through difficult days, we will always grow together. This message immediately gained widespread attention, and the man interpreted it as Taehyung's first step in his healing process. a sign that he was making peace with himself and expressing his gratitude to the army for always being served for him. Even Jungkook, who had been quite withdrawn in recent days, commented on the post.